क्या आप देख रहे हैं पोवई लोकेशन में घर? तो मेरे पास आपके लिए बहुत अच्छी न्यूज़ है बिकॉज गोदरेज जनरल पार्क इज लॉन्चिंग देयर न्यू टावर where they are providing 1 and 2 BHK and the token amount for 1 BHK is 1,08,000 and for 2 BHK it's 1,80,000. So let's take a tour of the site. So now let's take a tour of the 3D model of the project. This is the 3D model of the project. Here you can see various amenities like the jogging track, swimming pool, kids play area and also various commercial shops. So let's go on a tour of the sample flat of 3 BHK configuration. Here is the kitchen, fully furnished kitchen as you can see. And here is the drying space area where you can attach your washing machine as well. And here is the sink and all the fittings as you can see is so pretty. And let's now move on to the living space. As you can see, this is very spacious, and this is the dining space as you can see. And here you will see the fully sized open view window where you can see two people can sit and enjoy their tea and coffee while enjoying the view as well. And now we will move towards the master bedroom. As you can see here, this is also very spacious, and here is the wardrobe, and here is the attached washroom. As you can see, and after that, look here. Here we also get the full size open view window where you can just enjoy your view and move along. तो ये था हमारा लिविंग स्पेस एंड डाइनिंग एरिया। तो अब हम चलते हैं कॉमन बेडरूम की ओर, जो कि इस लॉबी से होके गुजरते हैं। एंड दिस इज आवर कॉमन बेडरूम। Here you can see this is also very spacious. This can be your kids' room also. And here is the attached washroom. With all the fittings as you can see, which is also very looking nice. And here is the master bedroom, which is very spacious as you can see. यहाँ पे हमारा किंग साइज बेड है, उसके बावजूद काफी स्पेसेस बच रहे हैं जो कि आप यूटिलाइज कर सकते हो। And here is the first size open view window as you can see, where you can enjoy your beautiful view outside. And here is the wardrobe as you can see is also very spacious and amazing. And यहाँ पे आपको मिलता है एक attached washroom with the shower area. तो क्या आप भी खोज रहे हैं पोवई चांदीवली लोकेशन में 1, 2 and 3 BHK? Then Urban Park is the best option for you because they are providing these luxurious options of 1, 2 and 3 BHK with the token amount of 1 BHK at 1,08,000 and 2 BHK for 1,80,000. So you can book through us at Property Cloud, India's only PropTech company, जहाँ पर आपको सभी डेवलपर्स के प्रोजेक्ट्स और सभी प्रोजेक्ट्स के अपडेटेड इन्फॉर्मेशन एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म पर मिल जाते हैं. So what you guys are waiting for? You can book through us directly. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.